Proxima Centauri is the nearest star to Earth after the Sun, located 4.25 light-years away in the southern constellation of Centaurus. Discovered in 1915, it is a small, low-mass star, too faint to be seen with the naked eye. It is the third member of the Alpha Centauri star system, being identified as Alpha Centauri c. Proxima B is an exoplanet orbiting Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our solar system, located about 4.25 light-years away. Discovered in 2016, this intriguing planet lies in the habitable zone of its star, where conditions might be right for liquid water to exist. But what does that mean for potential life? Proxima B is about 1.17 times the size of Earth and orbits its star every 11.2 days. However, Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf star, which means it emits a lot of radiation. Furthermore, the planet is most likely tidally locked, with one face constantly facing Proxima Centauri. Because of all of this, Proxima B is most likely a hot, barren rock on one side and freezing cold on the other, making it uninhabitable. Scientists are eager to learn more about Proxima B. Missions like the James Webb Space Telescope aim to analyze its atmosphere for signs of life. They are looking for biosignatures, chemical indicators that life might exist. But what would that look like? Oxygen, methane, or even unusual patterns in the atmosphere could be clues. The future of exploration is exciting. Concepts like the Breakthrough Starshot Initiative aim to send tiny spacecraft to Proxima B at a significant fraction of the speed of light. Imagine receiving images and data from another star system within a human lifetime. While this technology is still in its infancy, the dream of exploring Proxima B is becoming more tangible. In conclusion, because of the type of star that Proxima Centauri is and the activity we can see it has, the likelihood that Proxima B is habitable is quite small. Is it worth looking at? Yes, because we have found life here on Earth where we never expected it to be. There is also evidence that bacteria survived on the Moon on a Surveyor spacecraft for several years. Even if Proxima B is an airless, lifeless hunk of rock, it would still be interesting to send a probe to it. If it ever becomes possible to visit it in person someday, it would still be worth the trip. If you like this content, please support this channel by making a donation or buying a product through the links mentioned in the description.